Is it time to officially throw out the old real estate calendar? For decades, the rule in the Greater Toronto Area was simple: wait for the spring. But as we look at the landscape moving into 2026, January is starting to look less like a sleepy winter month and more like the most critical window for strategic moves. So today, we are diving deep into the data to answer the million-dollar question: is January the new spring market? We are going to look at the massive surge in power of sale properties, the fallout from the 25 tariff threats, and why the bottom of the market optimism is changing everything for GTA buyers and sellers. So to understand where we are going, we have to look at the year we just survived. For at least 8 to 9 months of 2025, the GTA market felt like it was moving through mud. Much of this stagnation was driven by uncertainty surrounding international trade and tariff threats that dominated the headlines. This created a significant challenge for sellers who saw their properties sit on the market with very little foot traffic, often leading to expired listings or frustrated price drops. However, for the patient buyer, this period was a massive benefit. It allowed for a level of negotiation we haven't seen in years, where buyers could take their time and perform due diligence without the fear of a 24-hour bidding war. So as we head towards the new year, the biggest shift we are seeing is a surge in power of sale properties. We are now hitting the peak of the mortgage renewal wall, where homeowners who locked in rock bottom rates back in 2021 are facing harsh reality of current interest rates. This is forcing many sellers to bail out of their properties because the math on their monthly payments simply no longer works. For sellers, this is a major challenge because you aren't just competing with the house next door. You are now competing with bank-owned properties that are priced aggressively to move quickly. For buyers, the benefit is clear: a surge in inventory from highly motivated sellers who are willing to accept terms that would have been laughed at 2 years ago. Despite the distress in some sectors, there is a palpable sense of optimism returning to the streets. Many buyers beginning to believe that the market has officially bottomed out. The sentiment is that while interest rates remain higher than the pandemic lows, the fear of the unknown regarding the 2025 economy has faded. The benefit here for buyers is that by moving in January, you might catch the exact turning point of the market before the general public catches on. The challenge, however, is the risk of premature optimism. If more forced inventory hits the market in the middle of next year, we could see a period of sideways price movement rather than a vertical spike, meaning you have to be prepared to hold long term. So who wins a January market? For sellers, the strategy is to list early to capture the first wave of optimistic buyers who want to beat the spring rush. Listing in January allows you to stand out before the market is flooded with competing listings in April. For buyers, January is the opportunity to find deals from those bailing out due to renewal challenges before the spring fever returns and competition intensifies. You are balancing the challenge of lower overall inventory with the benefit of high motivation from the sellers who are actually on the market. The spring market is no longer a single event. It's a gradual build that begins the moment the holiday decorations come down. So the GTA market is moving faster than ever, and those who wait until the flowers bloom to start their search are likely going to be playing catch-up. Whether you're looking to capitalize on a power of sale deal or trying to exit before the next wave of renewals, your strategy needs to be set now. Understanding the balance between current optimism and the looming renewal wall is the biggest edge in this market. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the GTA real estate market. See you in the next one.